Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Still nearby, but you're right, they're small, and the harbor's very large. Helly, could you...
Hurry! It's on me!
All done.
Oh, safe at last.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that biggie truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Okay, let's go. Dial, I think I have to go now. Where are you going?
How do you do this?
Red?
Correction acknowledged. Deploying chute.
Luigi? On your mark. Get set. Uno for the money.
Don't be silly. You worry too much, Edward. Like Henry.
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
What?
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-size offer.
So, you ready?
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
He's gonna blow!
As crop hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
This is the difference between you and Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself.
Ven, tractorcito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 ven acá.
sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
I hereby dub thee.
Fast River, Fast Lou, even Junior.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Piston Cakes. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un...
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le meccanica non funzionano!
An independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.